In goes the sausage. And now I'm just gonna kind of smash it up. Hello everyone. I will have some good food for you. Stick around, don't run off. I'll talk to you in a minute. Here are some of the things going into tonight's supper. Start out with the onion. One clove of garlic. This is basically to render out the bacon fat for the saute. Part of the meal tonight is this English cucumber. We cleaned it and scored it with a fork. And now I'm just going to kind of smash it up. That's kind of the name of it, a smashed cucumber salad. Instead of cutting it, you break it, and I'll show you what you do next. Just a little red wine vinegar. Close that up. Make sure all of it gets vinegar. And that ain't the end of it. We got more to go with it. I'm going to start out with a little butter. Just going to stick it in there. Put a little bit in the bottom of the pan. A little butter makes everything better. That butter will brown a little bit, and that tastes even better. In goes the sausage. Okay. And remember the garlic's in with it. Let them saute for a little while. Even gonna put the lid on for a second or two. Okay, I don't know how much of that y'all missed because of me and my not handling the camera, but I've put the duck in and some chicken broth. We're just gonna cover this long enough for the duck to be done. That shouldn't be long, about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna add the rice. We're gonna put some of this rice-a-roni long grain and wild rice in here. Wild rice goes excellent. It pairs excellently with wild duck. So I'm gonna go ahead and we need a little bit more rice than that. Okay, there we go. And we're gonna probably have to add another can of water. Or almost a can. And I want to throw in some green onions. There we go. Give it a stir. We're going to cover it and simmer it for 30 minutes, the lowest I can get the fire. I'm happy there's no wind. It'd blow that little flame out. But the good thing is, too, ain't many bugs flying around the old light tonight. All right, only one thing left to do. Fluff it up. Dish is not that complicated. It's just canned yams or sweet potatoes with pecans, maple syrup, and craisins. And I poured out some of the juice, and I'm just going to heat it up until the syrup thickens a bit. And that's all there is to it. And now a salute to my viewers. Some Grey Goose vodka. That's some good stuff. I had some last night. Salute. Cheers. Let me cut this headlight off. There we go. Cheers. Salute. I love my viewers. Goes down so easy. Who says you can't eat good in the woods? Wild duck and sausage jambalaya, candied yams, sweet potatoes, cucumbers with dill and sour cream. My goodness, fit for a king. Let's give this a taste. Let's see. Some wild duck and wild rice. You just have to try it. There's no way to describe the flavor. The cucumber, sour cream, and dill. Epic combination. Just epic. Canned yams, sweet potatoes. I could have cooked them myself ahead of time, but when you go camping, my God, you can't do too fancy. My goodness. Yams, pecans, and cranberries. That little bit of orange juice that came up from the slices. My goodness. This ain't right. Okay, this is our sweet potatoes we made. And just take some of this stuff right here. Oh my God. Just drizzle on some. Extraordinary. It was so good. Great dessert. Well, it's morning, people, but I think I'm gonna sleep in a little bit. There's a beautiful sunrise. There's a woodpecker somewhere. It's real foggy out on the lake. I would ask that you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And I hope in the future I could bring you some more interesting camping videos, as well as some good outdoor cooking. So thank you very much, and I'll talk to you later.